Hey there, my techies. Welcome back to our channel, where we're about to take an in-depth journey into the future of smartphones. I'm your host, and today's spotlight is on a device that's redefining the very concept of what a smartphone can be. Hold on to your seats, because we're diving deep into the Xiaomi Mi Mix Fold 3, the ultimate evolution in the world of smart technology. Are you ready? Let's unfold the future. Kicking things off, let's dive into the design prowess of the Xiaomi Mi Mix Fold 3. It's not just a phone, it's a symphony of design and innovation that's bound to leave you speechless. Imagine holding in your hands a device that's not merely functional, but a true work of art. The Mi Mix Fold 3 pushes the boundaries of aesthetics to a whole new level, boasting an enchanting, iridescent olive oil hue with delicate green undertones. This isn't just a color, it's a captivating dance of shades that shifts and shimmers with every movement, transforming the device into a living canvas of mesmerizing visuals. But it's not just about the color, it's about the experience. As you hold the Mi Mix Fold 3, you're not just holding a gadget, you're enveloped in a sensory journey. The smooth curves, the carefully crafted glass, and the refined sandblasted finish all come together to create a tactile sensation that's nothing short of euphoric. It's a device that invites you to explore it with your fingertips, to feel the contours, to appreciate the craftsmanship that's gone into every millimeter of its construction. And let's talk about that folding magic. Xiaomi hasn't just jumped on the foldable trend, they've elevated it to an art form. That almost imperceptible crease on the expansive 8.03-inch display isn't a flaw, it's a testament to engineering ingenuity. It's like looking through a window into the future, a portal that's waiting to transport you into a world of possibilities. The unfolding experience isn't just functional, it's emotional. It's like discovering a hidden treasure chest and revealing its wonders to the world. This isn't just a fold. It's an invention to a new era of interaction, where technology and art converge. Now, let's dive into the software magic. The MIUI Fold 14.1.1 interface is the brain behind this operation. It's your trusted companion, familiar yet brimming with innovation. Unfolding the Mix Fold 3 opens up a world of possibilities with two home screens side by side. This means multitasking is no longer a challenge, it's your new superpower. But it doesn't stop there. Parallel window functionality takes it a step further, optimizing essential apps for that glorious foldable display. Want to plan your day while catching up on news? Done. Take control of your digital world and elevate your productivity game. Time for a camera showdown. Xiaomi has partnered with Leica to create a quad-rear camera setup that's nothing short of a visual masterpiece. From wide-angle vistas to telephoto wonders, this device captures scenes with the finesse of a seasoned photographer. But it's not just about hardware. The software optimization is where the magic truly happens. The Leica Authentic profile delivers lifelike shots, while the Leica Vibrant profile adds a burst of color that transforms your photos into vibrant stories. Performance enthusiasts, brace yourselves. The Qualcomm flagship processor, coupled with the enhanced cooling system, powers the Mix Fold 3's incredible performance. It's not just a phone, it's a portable gaming powerhouse. And when it comes to battery life, Xiaomi has gone the extra mile. This phone isn't just a sprinter, it's built for the marathon. It keeps up with you all day, and when it's time to recharge, the 67-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging have got your back. Now, let's shift our focus to the realm of entertainment. The Xiaomi Mi Mix Fold 3 isn't content with merely being a tool for work. It transforms into your very own private theater, a haven for gaming enthusiasts, and a gateway to a world of immersive experiences. This device isn't just about features, it's about creating moments that resonate deep within you. Picture this, a high-quality display that's not just a window, but a portal. With the Mix Fold 3's stunning screen and stereo speakers, the act of streaming HDR content transcends from mere viewing to a genuinely immersive encounter. Colors pop, details come to life, and every scene draws you in like never before. It's like stepping into the universe of your favorite movies and shows. And that's not all. Let's talk about those black margins. You know, those areas that usually sit there doing nothing? Well, Xiaomi has turned them into an asset. Those margins can be repurposed, transforming into control bars and comments that enhance your interaction with the content you're consuming. Imagine watching your favorite show or movie and having easy access to control options right there on the margins, without intruding on the main screen. It's all about convenience and an uninterrupted viewing experience. Or how about scrolling through comments and reactions without obscuring the visuals? It's these little touches that make the difference. But here's the real kicker. It's like carrying a cinema in your pocket. The Mix Fold 3 gives you the freedom to enjoy your entertainment your way, wherever you are. Whether it's catching up on the latest series during your commute or having a movie night under the stars, this device adapts to your lifestyle. Ladies and gentlemen, we've just scratched the surface of what the Xiaomi Mi Mix Fold 3 brings to the table. It's not just a smartphone, it's a harbinger of the future. With its innovative design, unparalleled software experience, stunning camera prowess, and unmatchable performance, it's rewriting the rulebook for smartphones. That wraps up our journey through the Xiaomi Mi Mix Fold 3. If you're as excited about the future as I am, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech adventures, and remember to stay tuned as we continue to uncover the limitless possibilities of tech. I'm Bruce, signing off. Until next time, keep dreaming big and embracing the future.